What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 secret features on your Huawei Mate SE. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, we're going to start off with a banger, and this one, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to like. So first thing you have to do is actually go ahead and go into text messaging right here, and we're going to go ahead and go to more and click on settings. Now when we're in settings right here, we are going to get a bunch of different options, but we are going to want to click on this one. We're going to want to turn this on right here. Now it says cancel sending. It says double touch a message bubble within 6 seconds to cancel sending. So you know, whether you're drunk or you're just an airhead and you like sending texts and you regret them straight away, you can actually go ahead and hold on a text message and it will cancel the text. I'll show you how that works just right now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and send a text. Now it says double touch to withdrawal, and you have 6 seconds to do so. So all you have to do is tap the bubble and your text goes back into the text box. Next secret I'm going to go ahead and show you is actually just on the home page right here. We're going to want to go ahead and pinch in. We're going to get 4 different options right here that says wallpaper, widgets, transition, and settings. We're going to go ahead and click on settings. Now once we're inside of here, we get a whole ton of different options. You guys can change the home layout. Instead of 4x5, we can have 5x5. We can auto align applications when we delete them. Another thing that I do like is shape to realign the home screen icon, so we can go ahead and turn that on. And if we want to go ahead and do that, just pinch up and shake, and it's going to realign your home icons. We also have badge app icons, app suggestions, and we have the home screen loop, was one of my favorite things right here. We can just go ahead and loop through all of our applications without it stopping. The next secret I want to show you is actually pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and go into settings, and we're going to go to mini screen right there. So it says mini screen view. We have shifting keyboard, that is pretty much useless, and mini screen view. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Now it says slide your finger across the navigation bar to switch between the standard and mini screen views. Now this is super useful if you guys have smaller hands and you can't use this huge 6-inch phone. Definitely turn that on, and all you have to do is go ahead and swipe from the navigation keys right here, and it's going to be smaller, so you can use it in one hand mode. And just way better, honestly, for smaller handed people. And if you want to go back to the regular screen, click right there and boom. Another feature, probably one of my favorite features, honestly, has to be app lock. So we're going to go ahead and go to app locks right here. And you know, the name is in the title right here, app lock. As you guys see, you can set up different applications to where you have to unlock them with your fingerprint sensor. I know, you know, on Amazon and on Cash App and a bunch of different applications that are very insecure, and you know, someone could take your phone while it's unlocked and order something or try to go into your account or do whatever. You can actually close all of these accounts with the security of your fingerprint. So as you guys saw, I locked all of these accounts right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you do. I would go ahead and click on YouTube right there, and boom, use my fingerprint sensor. And you can do that to as many applications as you want, and I honestly love that feature. Alright guys, so the last and final feature is actually going to be in the camera application. So we're going to go all the way up to the top of the camera right here, and as we see this little circle right here, and we click on that. Now it says moving picture is enabled. Now I believe we just got this with the 8.0 Oreo update that we received on the Mate SE, which is actually pretty cool. But as you see right here, we're going to go ahead and take a picture. Click. And this is like Apple's moving picture, you know, on the iPhone 10 or iPhone 8 or whatever. If you go ahead and click on it, and all you have to do is tap and hold, and you guys get the moving picture, which is awesome and pretty cool. I actually just figured this out a little bit ago. I didn't even know there was a moving picture thing on here. But we also have another one right here. In the past, when I took a picture, and not even aware that I was taking a moving picture, but as you guys see, we can go ahead and click on this, and the sound and the video is with it for probably like about 3 seconds, but I think that's pretty cool. But yeah, those are my top 5 secret features on the Huawei Mate SE. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below. Also, leave a comment down below which feature you're going to go ahead and implement in your phone next. Also, if you guys don't have notification bell on, definitely hit that, because that is the only way you can be notified that I do upload a video. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace. Peace out, Tech Gang.